This is a hiccup. Hold on. It's coming. Want me one more?
With my flung spaghetti.
Ready? Oh, there it went. I missed that one. Oh my god, it snuck up on me. I got hiccup sneaking me. Oh. How you doing out there in hiccup land?
They're called sneak ups.
You got a sneak up. Oh, there's another one. Kind of hurt my ribs a little bit. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Oh. Gonna make me start belching. Oh, there's a good one. I had a little vocal on that one. How many is that? 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh! Wish I could burp, fart, something. Oh! Oh, magic. Where does a hiccup come from? Do you know? Do you know at home where a hiccup comes from? How about you, Johnny? Did you learn where hiccups come from today in school? Did you, Johnny? Oh, you didn't? Maybe your daddy knows. Can you call him on his cell phone? I don't think Johnny's dad has a cell phone. But I have the hiccups. You couldn't tell. James has to fart. Oh, he has to poo.
Say bye.
He has gas in his... Bye.